Have your ears been feeling blocked or uncomfortable lately? Maybe conversations sound muffled, or you've noticed ringing sounds that won't go away. These symptoms are often linked to impacted earwax. And today we're talking about how Hearing First Oxford helps patients improve hearing through professional microsuction, earwax removal, and expert hearing care services. Earwax is completely natural and helps protect the ears from dust, bacteria, and debris. But when too much wax builds up inside the ear canal, it can become impacted and begin causing symptoms that affect hearing clarity and comfort. Many people still attempt to clean their ears themselves using cotton buds or DIY cleaning methods. Unfortunately, this often pushes wax deeper into the ear canal and may worsen the blockage. That's why microsuction earwax removal has become one of the most recommended professional ear cleaning methods available today. At Hearing First Oxford, microsuction treatment is performed by a qualified audiologist, using specialist suction equipment and direct visual guidance to safely and effectively remove earwax. Unlike traditional ear syringe-ing methods that use water flushing, microsuction allows for a more precise and controlled cleaning process that many patients find more comfortable. Symptoms linked to excessive earwax can include tinnitus, dizziness, ear pressure, headaches, itchiness, muffled hearing, and difficulty hearing conversations clearly. Many patients notice immediate hearing improvement once the blockage is removed. Modern lifestyles have also increased the likelihood of earwax buildup. Frequent use of wireless earbuds, headphones, and hearing aids can interfere with the ear's natural self-cleaning process and contribute to wax accumulation over time. Hearing First Oxford also offers hearing assessments and advanced hearing aid technology designed to improve communication and hearing clarity. Modern hearing aids now feature Bluetooth streaming, rechargeable batteries, intelligent sound processing, and discreet designs that fit comfortably into everyday life. The clinic focuses on delivering professional and patient-focused hearing care in a welcoming environment, where patients feel informed and supported throughout their appointment. If you'd like to learn more about microsuction earwax removal in Oxford or book an appointment with Hearing First Oxford, check the booking link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more hearing care advice and hearing health content.